show you guys my homemade Lego wood chipper. It is powered by an XL motor. It's got the tow hitch right there. You feed the wood in here in this little hole here, and it comes out down there. And it's being powered by this wrecker over here, which has the battery pack to run the XL motor. So it'll spread small skewers, but for right now I'm just using this spaghetti. I'm going to put 2 strands in there. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and turn this motor on. I'm going to feed it in. Now, I hope you guys can see that I'm feeding this in right now. And there we go. Now we turn it off. Now I'm going to dump all the little bits out of here. And there we have all these little tiny bits here. So it works pretty well. I mean, those bits are definitely really tiny compared to they were originally that. But that's going to be about the end of this video. Please like and subscribe and share this video if you want. And as always, I will see you next time.